Diarmuid Giolla Ruaidh is a regular down here. He's a native of Donabate, and he's a great musician. He writes tons of songs. He's got, like, last count, 7,497,642. And he's always right, and he's always getting people to video his tunes, and he's dead right. He's got a YouTube channel. You should check it out. Diarmuid Giolla Ruaidh. It's hard to spell his name though, so it might be a bit tricky to find, but we'll do our best. Anyway, he's going to be here tomorrow night as well. So we're lucky to have him tonight, because tomorrow night we're having a big Britain's Got Talent show, and it's an actual Britain's Got Talent show where there's 2 producers coming over tomorrow, and they're going to be in here, and the room is going to be packed, and we're going to have more musicians and more comedians and dancers and magicians and poets and every kind of stuff. It's on at 7 o'clock here tomorrow night. It's free in, and it's going to be good crack, and hopefully one of those artists will be able to get through to the next round. It's just a regional Dublin audition kind of thing, but they just contacted me out of the blue and asked me if I'd put on the show, so we're trying to get some Donabate talent on that there. Anyway, enough of my waffling. You're going to enjoy this. There's no vocal, it's all instrumental. It's beautiful music. Put your hands together for Diarmuid Giolla Ruaidh.
Well, since I was here, and I've been really busy this year, so I have 3 compositions never before performed. 2 old ones which I've brought up to date recently, brand new, which I'm still working on it this morning. So here goes. The first one is called 4 Sides. Thank you.
Go on, David! Oh, beautiful, David.